right, let's sit on this bad boy. Oh, I'm sorry. Hey, let's not get riled up now. No, that's what we're not gonna do. Howdy loves, welcome back to my channel. So, basically, I got home from school today, changed into my new summer moon shirt, which freaking cutest thing ever. Look at this. I'm obsessed with it. I just bought it. Like, I literally was at Summer Moon earlier, took some pictures in my school uniform, went to all my classes, and then on my way home, I stopped back because I was like, I need a t-shirt from there. So I got two, and this is one of them. I came home and I noticed that both of my parents' cars were here. And then I was like, hello? And nobody was there. So I texted my parents in our group chat with the three of us. We've got the man fam, which has Catherine in it, and then just one with my parents and I. And I said, I just got home and both of y'all's cars are here, but y'all aren't. Where are you, LOL? By the way, in these texts, you can literally see the difference of tone between my parents. Like, it's crazy. So my mom goes, emoji, didn't we tell you we are on a plane to Colorado? Duh. Like, literally the sass, and for what? For what? A lot of people wonder where I get it from. And then my dad goes, liner dash, be sure to feed the dogs and refill their water twice per day. No parties while we're gone. Miss you, love you. Well, I couldn't have parties anyways because all my guy friends left and went off to college, so. Guess they're in luck, but we'll see about that. So yeah, I guess this video is just gonna be what I'm doing living alone. Am I scared to sleep at home alone? Maybe, but I believe in God, and I think God is gonna protect me. All right, first up, we gotta feed these little rascals. Okay, watch their reaction. Whenever we say F-O-O-D, they go crazy. Okay, ready? Who wants their food? Look at her, she's already like running to the door. Oh my goodness, who wants their food? I just realized that because my parents are gone, I have to feed myself 3 times a day, which I pretty much already do for the first 2, breakfast and lunch, but dinner, I'm always counting on the dinner. So, let me go make some text messages and we'll go from there. All right, y'all, before we eat, we're gonna jam out to some Carolinemanning music. Sugar and the snow, candy cane, mistletoe. Can I please have an espresso? Back to the heat in mid-July, I was driving outside till that came home. Everybody was asking why it ain't Christmas time, but when it hits you, well, you know. Then December rolled around, the snow down, everything decked in red and green. I'm going to meet up with some people at this place called The League. I'd say like middle high-end restaurant. Nothing too crazy, but like definitely not fast food, which is probably good because I've been eating like Chick-fil-A this whole week. But yeah, anyways, if y'all didn't know, I make music, and that what you just listened to is my Christmas song that I wrote in like 2019, I think. Yeah, 2019. It feels like forever ago. I've gotten so many questions asking if I am making new music. The release date of that, I probably could not tell you. So, get hyped. It's about to be lit. I have this air freshener. It's like a Texas candle bead air freshener. It smelled amazing when it was here. But I don't have it anymore because Texas is one hot mother trucker. And I went into my car after school and that MF was melted. It was deformed and not what it was when I got it. So it's in the trash now. It's really sad, honestly. Or do you know when you're coming home, you, Kevin, and Brendan? Hey, yo, Shotty, did you land?
We're on the plane getting ready to Colorado.
Oh, I sent him the TikTok compilation of the Full Metal Alchemist. Mr. Yeah. Stop. Hey guys, it's 4 a.m. and my dogs literally woke me up at 1 and 4. And I couldn't fall asleep after the 1. So getting up and starting our day at 4 a.m. today. I'm gonna make some eggs and then have cereal today. I'm about to head out to school, but first I need to fill up my water. Also, I'll show you guys my outfit in case you're wondering what my private school makes us wear. So I have on my gray skirt and then my white long sleeve top because my short sleeves are in the washing machine. Probably not the smartest idea because it's like 100 degrees in Texas, but yeah, this is what we're working with. And we're all set. Let's go to school. Hey guys, I just got to school and I'm in my math class right now. I literally just walked out of school because I was beefing with somebody and I needed to go to Lexi's house because I just couldn't do it anymore. Yo, it's my favorite dogs.
What is the problem?
Oh yeah, okay, so I was starting to tell them why I love school. Let me do a reenactment, okay? Okay. So I'm walking into the senior room, okay?
Picture me this.
POV. I've got my laptop, I've got all my textbooks in here, I've got everything. I'm walking in there like,
Excuse me. Where do you think you're going with that backpack? You know you aren't allowed to have those in the senior room.
and yeah, I was like, okay, well if I can't have my backpack, then I'm out.
That's so true.
That's what I did. Guys, I gotta read Crime and Punishment. I forgot to read last night, so that's what
Yeah, you forgot. Sure.
No, I was watching Netflix actually.
Yeah, that's what I got.
This is my study guide. Okay guys, for lunch today, we've got a gourmet pizza from don't know where.
Costco.
Some really yummy Caesar salad, which I've already been eating.
This is my bread song. Baby, turn around and just what I want and what I need, baby. Let me hear you say, please. Let me hear you say, lollipopping, twerking on some J's. So again, hey. I'm gonna ride it too.
Look at my amazing parking. It's literally in the middle of the road. We're at the farmer's market. Yo, look at how good these look.
Is that a classic deal?
Yep. She's getting pickles.
Classic.
Yo, we got some good stuff. We'll give you a haul in the car. Or Lexi will do it.
Okay, haul I got. These are the garlic and dill pickles. Yum. Look at these. Yummy. Got these 2 pieces of this gluten-free banana bread. This one's a little blueberry banana bread and this one's just a regular one. It was so good. She had like 3 samples. This is Caroline. This is the balsamic vinegar and grilled onions little hummus. It was so bussin'. Yeah, it was really good. I had no idea homemade hummus was like actually I got the roasted garlic and artichoke one.
There wasn't as many tents as like you would think a farmer's market would have, but it was like good stuff. Like it wasn't dookie stuff.
Stop! Don't say that.
Okay, we're gonna go meet Ben. Hey yo! It's Ben!
What the?
Hi vlog, I miss you guys.
Okay, now we're going to Crumble, and then we're gonna go to Nordstrom Rack because Ben needs some new clothes.
This time, baby, I'll be bulletproof.
Guys, we're at Nordstrom Rack.
I'm playing.
Hey yo, we at Crumble. Lexi, no.
Sure. Look, can we do classic oatmeal? I bet it will be good.
Yeah.
And should we get Galaxy Brownie too?
Yeah, let's just do it, why not? Oh, Lexi, nice name choice.
Mamas. Benny Bay. Benny Boo Boo Bay. No, I look like the video game Granny.
Stop, I love that game. You know I posted a YouTube video called How to Defeat Granny.
You did not!
You were one of
Definitely.
those. How to defeat Granny.
Crumble review. We got all the new flavors for this week. Okay, first off we've got pumpkin something.
oatmeal cookie, cosmic brownie, and chilled chocolate chip cookie dough. By the way, Ben is very shy.
That's why he's not in it.
Don't cut into the chocolate one first because then I contaminate all the other ones.
Oh my god, you're so right. Okay, let's start off.
You're so
Let's start off with pumpkin.
Okay. I'll hold. I'll hold.
Oh, thanks. Do so much. Thank you.
As in you're not.
Wait, can I film it?
Like a 9 out of 10. This is pretty good. The icing is a little too sweet for me. 8 out of 10. Maybe 7.5.
Watch this be peanut butter from last week.
Yeah. Caught on vlog. Carolinemanning dying. You have a frosting on your mouth. How do you even lick it?
Dude, that's not frosting, is it?
Yes, it is. It's from that one.
Hold on, pause.
Why are you wiping it?
Hey, take it back.
Sorry, my bad.
Okay, it's a little dry. I'll give it like a 6 out of 10.
That is a little bit dry. I like that it's not too sweet. It's kind of refreshing.
Ready to cheers.
Cheers.
ASMR.
Dude,
I actually like
this is like a 10 out of 10.
Yeah, this is my favorite one so far.
Dude,
Yeah.
this is so good.
I really like this one.
You know what? I think I like it because it's like cold. I like this.
Do I?
I'm not gonna lie, this was kind of dookie.
Stop! What did I tell you about saying that? You have chalk on your face. Rating dookie.
Level of dookiness.
Dookie.
You know what that tastes like? Play-Doh. You know that really cheap brand at HEB, that food brand? It's like the Galaxy Brownie, that cheap one.
That's what it's supposed to be based off of.
Oh.
Cosmic brownie. Definitely tastes like it.
Good morning and happy Saturday. I'm currently taking a pet sitting job, so every day I have to go to this house 4 times. So 8 a.m., 12, 4, and then 8 p.m. I already did my 8 a.m. shift this morning, and now I'm gonna go tan by the pool and just lay out before my next pet sitting shift. But anyways, I want to show you guys my suit today. This swimsuit is from Triangle. It is so cute. I am wearing it because it's gonna give me a really good tan line, which is what I want. So yeah, good morning, happy Sunday. I'm currently at the gym and I'm gonna work out before I go to church by myself. Oh my gosh, I'm sweating so much. Just had a really good workout and now it's 10 a.m. and church service starts at 11, so I need to hurry home, get dressed, and then leave for church. So my parents are coming home today and I'm pretty sure they're coming home around like 2 or 3. I have really enjoyed being alone this weekend because I'm the type of person that is very extroverted but like needs to recharge by myself. And so yeah, I think I'm a mix of like an extrovert introvert. It kind of just depends on the day and like what the situation is. But I think this was much needed for me and I'm very glad that I got to do this. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. If you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't, don't do anything. I love y'all so much. Have a great rest of your day and I will see you in my next video. Ciao!